last few years we've been digitising over 10,000 items in the collection and cataloguing them, ready for the launch of a really exciting project, which is the launch of RHS Collections, a new website where anyone can download, view and search for free thousands of amazing images that capture the history of gardening over 500 years. So for over 100 years people have been able to come to the library to view our precious collections in person, but this is the first time that people have been able to see them in bulk online, and it's an amazing resource. So the fantastic thing about this initiative that's being funded by the National Heritage Lottery Fund is that anywhere in the world, wherever you are, you can view these collections, and that includes not just the amazing library collections but also thousands of herbarium specimens, press plant collections. We've got the finest gardening heritage collection in the world, and it's really exciting to put that at people's fingertips. So please head on to the RHS website, look for RHS Collections and fill your boots and see what you can discover.